So guys, we are back in the hospital again. Roger is doing immunotherapy, and immunotherapy entails marking the cells and then attaching chemotherapy to the proteins to kill the cancer cells. So that is what is happening now. Again, what is happening is that they are introducing these antibodies inside his blood, and they are marking the cells. So they will go by one and light up the cancer cells, and then the chemotherapy will be attached to the proteins or antibodies and the cancer cells. So that is what is happening. That's a layman term that I can give you. I've read every single study that there is on these drugs. I've done extensive research. Yeah, because that is how I feel comfortable with everything. It is by me understanding, processing it. That is the only way that I can feel comfortable with everything that is happening. And also, Dr. Sunil does an excellent job of actually going through the therapy with me, showing me step by step what will happen at each step, explaining over and over until I get a complete understanding of what is happening, the different drugs being used, and yeah, basically that is what target immunotherapy is. So yeah, we are not in the same room that we were in before. We're in a different room, but it's just as lovely, just as nice. Correct? Pineapple 8, pineapple 14. Pineapple 14. Um, yeah, so I'll keep you posted about what is happening now, step by step, stage by stage. Because I know that a lot of you guys are really invested, and we're so grateful. We're so grateful for everybody who are a part of this journey with us. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. So this is the beginning of our day. All right, let's get to it. Medication running at work. Where the something name? Start machine working. Everything plug in. Everything at work. Just to get comfortable
and sleep.
and sleep.
Sleep. And water.
And water. Oh, should I carry measure in something?
No. Can I put here something?
What?
I just that what need to do then? Let's see.
It's a run for a while, you know.
I know.
24 hours, just say. 24 hours. Hour number 1. Let's go.
So asleep.
Just go and sleep, man. Wait, unless you want pee, you call me. Don't say molested. Don't say molested. There are so many other words right there. Incapacitated, unusable, helpless. There's so many other words. Wow. How is the fried rice? How is the hospital food compared to your hospital food?
10 times better.
10 times better. Yeah.
The nice thing about your food is that sometimes they would carry rice and peas and pasta, like macaroni pasta, and then just and juice, and just that we used to eat for lunch.
Yeah.
For breakfast, They would carry some weird chicken and one banana, bread
Or papaya.
or papaya. They would carry bread though.
Definitely.
Butter.
Definitely bread and salted butter.
Yeah, so that would just bread and butter with that and chocolate tea would I just drink for breakfast. With time and cover. For dinner now, dinner just weird. Sandwich.
Tuna sandwich.
Tuna sandwich. And chocolate tea. So like a good way for another day.
It says a perfect diarrhea recipe.
Yeah, with this fried rice and then chicken pasta
Yeah. Bomb.
is the bomb. And also breakfast time here, so we get to pick
Options.
between like one omelette and bread, or boiled egg and bread, or just bread and just toast and jam.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's not all bad.
Not all bad.
Okay.
But look at Jamaican spin the dip on the fried rice with that.
Into the slap.
That slap. Probably that Jamaican season, but it still slap.
Okay. Love him, belly?
Favorite lunch here, so?
I know, man. Well, eat up, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, take time. I got to work.
Let me rush wash down.
Hey, rush. Pomegranate.
Pomegranate apple. Real nice.
Slap.
Slap.
It busting.
It's bossing.
Oh, Lord.
While giving this medicine, here you feel like hot. Okay? So don't take tension.
Bro, you have to try and eat something. Please. Drink some tea, eat one piece of bread, eat one apple. And make me walk around the room a little bit. Here? I know, but I can't imagine where I go through. Here? Please, for mommy. Drink some tea and eat a nice sandwich. Amen. Guess I didn't call this. In Jamaica, I thought, I didn't call it over here. A China banana? You sure? Why me think a monkey banana? That one? Eat up, just one. If you can't manage it two, just eat one and the apple, yeah? Oceans rise, sunless in your embrace. 'Cause I am yours and you are mine. Oh, I got somebody with me to share my every load. Feel His presence with me every day. And when trouble